Hello, guys. My name is Charles Stanley. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2018. Actually, it is going to be more like my last video of 2017. So I'm going to make it very simple and quick. All right. I want to show you guys how to make use of your mobile data, how to manage and use less of your mobile data instead of consuming so much of your data. And then also in this application, I'm going to teach you how to manage your mobile data and then know which application which is consuming more of your mobile data. So in order to control them, you have to off some applications so that you won't leave any application running on your background. Most times, if applications are running on your background, it consumes a lot of data. So in order to do this, actually we should have first gone to Play Store, but this is what the application looks like. Let's just open up Play Store to search for the application. And then you should know that I don't need to install this because I already have it installed on my phone. So all you just need to do is just to search for Datally. Then hit search. Wait for it to load. And then it should come up. Alright, the reason why I'm using this is because actually I'm in Nigerian and we use less data. So in order to save up some data on my phone, I have to make use of this application. Okay, this is the application right here. It's called Datally. Datally Mobile is actually made by Google. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see it and then click on install it. Alright, I already have it installed on my phone, so all I have to do is just open it. But you that don't have it on your phone, just go ahead and install it. Alright, this is the application right here. Okay, in order to make you can notice that it shows it has a very simple interface and shows all the applications on my phone, all the data's highlight. You can see the application that is using up most of my megabyte, which is on top of it, Facebook. It has consumed already 200 megabytes already today. And you can see that the Android OS also consumed 95 megabytes and YouTube also consumed 90 megabytes, which actually makes me a YouTuber. So, all right, in order to check more of the application that is consuming the data, just click on manage data. You have to get a list of all applications that are consuming your data. You can see them varying from the highest to the lowest. Alright, now in order for you to manage your data, all you have to do is to click this button right here. You can now notice that it's now blocking data for 69 applications. So no, all these data that are off are not going to be running on your background anymore. And also, if you notice that it did not block some application, you can go ahead and block them. You can just click on block. But this is an Android OS, so it's very risky to block the application. So you should just go ahead and leave it to be on, and then you can go ahead and toggle it and off it. Also, your Google Play service controls most of your applications, so just leave this on. And your Datally also, just leave it on also. Then any other application you can find on your phone, you just turn it off. It doesn't need to be on and running on your background. Once you turn it off, whenever you want to make use of your data, you can just click on the application, and once the application is open, your data is going to be running on the background. But if it's on off, if it's on mute, probably you didn't click on it, it's going to be off. But if you leave this to be on, and then it's going to be consuming a lot of data on your background and you wouldn't know that. But if you have Wi-Fi and you make use of Wi-Fi, there is no need for you to install this application and manipulate on it. But if you are making use of your mobile data, it's very okay to install this application and make use of it. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to get more of my tips. And once again, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2018. Love you all.